Ready to unlock the power of automated messaging on WhatsApp and turn casual conversations into loyal customers? First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard and locate the Automations or Flows section, where the magic happens. Next, click on the Create Automation or New Flow button to start crafting your personalized message sequence. Now, select your trigger event. This could be anything from a new contact joining your list to a specific keyword they send you. Next, schedule the first message in your sequence, customize the content, add media, and set the perfect time for it to be sent. Continue building your sequence by adding more messages and setting delays between each one to keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to personalize your messages using dynamic tags like name or location to create a more tailored experience. Once you are happy with your sequence, activate or publish your automation, and watch as Aisensy handles the rest. Lastly, monitor the performance of your automations using Aisensy's analytics dashboard and make adjustments to optimize your engagement.